Water therapy, hydrotherapy, has a long history in medicine. It goes back thousands of years to ancient Greek and Roman times and was revived with scientific fervor during the 19th century when they noticed that water seemed to have an influence on the skin's nerve endings. Hydrotherapy has been the subject of several decades' worth of study at this point and has accumulated very excitingly scientifically proven benefits for the body. We will only be focusing on the major benefits of cold water therapy and how they can have such an impact on quality of life. It improves blood circulation and lymph drainage. This is particularly effective in the case of water contrast therapy, meaning hot to cold water contrast. The hot water will produce a rush of blood flow from the inner organs to the skin, constricting the large organ blood vessels and dilating the smaller cutaneous vessels, skin. Switching to cold water will reverse that process, driving the blood back to the inner organs, constricting the cutaneous vessels, and dilating the inner organ vessels. The body does this in an attempt to maintain the appropriate core temperature. Improves hair and skin health. The stimulation of blood circulation in the body caused by the cold water will help nourish the cells. The increase in heart rate will help oxygenate that blood. Both will improve the tone and health of the skin, and stimulate hair production. Also, warm water makes it easier to remove dirt and excess oil from the pores, skin and scalp, by opening them. Cold water on the other hand will close and constrict the pores, improving the tone and helping to lock in moisture. Reduces pain. Cold water showers seem to be especially effective at this when compared to ice packs, ice massages, and even whole body cryotherapy. This works mainly due to the tightening effect on the blood vessels that is caused by applied cold, which decreases cell metabolism, reducing inflammation. Winter swimmers, who regularly expose themselves to oftentimes ice-cold temperatures, report an overall reduction in pain from conditions like fibromyalgia, rheumatism, and asthma. It improves mood and helps fight depression. Research suggests that the antidepressive effect of cold water exposure might be due to the activation of the sympathetic nervous system and the surge in electrical impulses to the brain, caused by the cold receptors in the skin. The activation of the sympathetic nervous system increases blood concentrations of beta endorphins, reducing pain and enhancing pleasure, and noradrenaline. Increases energy levels. As mentioned above, regular short-term cold exposure will help your overall mood and energy over the long run. However, even just a short cold water shower will activate the central nervous system to release noradrenaline, giving you a boost in energy that's better than coffee. Though granted, significantly less likely you'll enjoy. Boosts the immune system. Regular, short-term cold exposure also has proven immune-stimulating effects, boosting white blood cells in the body. It is also directly linked to a lower frequency of respiratory infections.